You'll need crayons or colored pencils, and a white one especially, and some blue paper. We'll start with the sun, and draw a circle for the base of the snowman. The shading is going to be opposite to the direction of the sun. So we'll start with lines curving around that circle, and we'll leave a section of that circle unshaded. When you layer the lines on top of each other, that's called hatching, and that's a form of shading. We'll put a line for the background, and we'll put some lines underneath the ball, and that's for shading. All the shading makes the circle look like a ball and gives it depth and makes it look 3D. Now draw another circle on top and shade it just a little bit. And we'll draw some details for the face. 2 ovals for the eyes and a big smile. Then we'll draw the hat, a curved line, and then a curve around there, and a curve around on the other side, curving up, up, and then the top of the hat, and another curve there for the band around the hat. Then we'll color that in. Can't forget the carrot nose, a little bumpy carrot. Fill it in with orange. And we'll color that band on top green. And 3 black buttons for his belly. And now we can finish the shading on the head. And we'll draw an arm and a hand with brown. And we'll draw this guitar. And the hand and arms holding the guitar. And we're done.